So, in this video, you're going to learn about how you're able to register a subject into the system. So the first thing, on the menu on your left, you're going to click on the Register Subject button. Then you'll be taken to this window. And you can see at the top here, you have the title that says Register a Subject. Below that, we have a few instructions that you need to follow so that you're able to accomplish the task that is required in this window. Then below that, you're going to see a form that you'll fill so that you're able to register the subject and its details. So there are two things that you need to factor in when registering a subject in this system. So one is that whenever you're registering a subject in the system, you're registering a subject that is taught in more than one class. And number two, you need to factor in that this subject that you're registering shares the same grading ranges across the classes that you have selected. For example, Kiswahili taught in lower primary has a different grading range from Kiswahili taught in upper primary and also secondary. So when you are registering a subject like Kiswahili that is taught in the whole school, you need to segregate them according to their grading range. So lower primary will be different, upper primary will be different, secondary will be different. So whenever you're coming to register a subject, let's say Kiswahili, you're going to come and say Kiswahili lower primary. Then to the display name, you're going to come and say Kiswahili. Then the subject ID, this is the short name of the subject that will be displayed in the timetable. Then after that, you're going to register the subject maximum marks. Below that, you'll now select the classes that this subject is taught. And these classes are related only by the grading range. So when I come and select playgroup PP1, PP2, grade 1, come and say grade 2 until grade 3. So this is lower primary. So these are the classes that do share the same grading range for Kiswahili. Then I'm going to scroll up. Then I'm going to set the grading range. So starting from 100 to 80, that will be exceeding expectation for CBC. 79 to 60, that will be meeting expectation. Then from 59 to 40, that will be approaching expectation. Then from 30 to 0, that will be below expectation. Then I save that. So once I save that, the grading range will appear here, and my work will just be clicking register, and the subject will be registered. For upper primary, I'll come and say Kiswahili upper primary. Then I come and say Kiswahili. So this is the display name that will appear in the report card of the student, whereas the subject timetable referee, this is a short version of the name of the subject. So KIS for Kiswahili. Then the maximum marks, I'll come and say 100. Then now I'm going to select the upper primary, which starts from grade 4. Then we can go until grade 6. Then below that, I'll be able to, I can come and say until grade 6. Then I'll set the grade, come here, and now let's say from 100 to 70, that will be exceeding expectation. Then from 69 to 40, that will be meeting expectation. Then from 39 to 30, that will be approaching expectation. Then below that, from 29 to 0, that will be below expectation. Then after that, come click save. Then the grading range will appear here. Then let's click register. So now we have Kiswahili for upper primary. Then the last one will be Kiswahili secondary. Then I can come and say Kiswahili. So the display name, this is the name that will appear in the report card, whereas the subject timetable referee is the name that will appear in the timetable. So always keep it short. Keep it maximum of 4 characters, minimum of 2. Then I can come and say the subject maximum marks, come give it 100. Then from there, select the classes that are in secondary. So I'm going to click 7, grade 10, grade 11, grade 12. Then set the grades. So now the grades here again will be different. So we're going to say from 100 to 50, that will be exceeding expectation. Or we can use the new secondary grading range. So you can come and say from 100 to 90, that is EE1. Then from 89 to 80, that will be EE2. Then from 79 to 70, that will be meeting expectation 1. Then below that, from 69 to 60, that will be meeting expectation 2. From 59 to 50, that will be approaching expectation 1. Then from 49 to 30, that will be approaching expectation 2. Then from 29 to 15, that will be below expectation 1. Then from 14 to 0, that will be below expectation 2. Then I scroll up, then I save, then that will appear here, then I register. Then the subject will be registered. So as you can see, we have registered the subject according to the classes that it's taught, and these classes are related because of the grading ranges. So that's how you register a subject into the system. It is as simple as ABC.